are blank still. You might not have any more. You might be done with your manicure. Or you might just want to leave it this way. Or you can really do whatever you want with your nails, but for this tutorial, we are not done yet. So now we are going to be working on the palm trees. So with our gradient, with our little sunset on 2 of our fingers, well, I did 2 of my fingers since I have 5 fingers. I did 2 of my fingers, the gradient, and then I did one of them is the cloud, and then the other 2 are going to be a different design. So what you're going to do for the 2 fingers that we did the gradient sunset on, you're going to take a black striper, or a dotting tool works too, but a striper probably works really good. And you are going to just make a little patch of dirt. It's okay if it gets some on your skin, we'll clean that up later. So just make a little patch of black dirt. And then once you're done with the patch of dirt, you're going to go in with your black striper, which you already probably have. And you're going to make a little curved line on your nail, so just like that. So it's like a palm tree. And then you're going to take your black striper again, so this whole design uses a black striper. And you're going to, you're going to just do 2 little leaves on each side of your palm tree nail. And don't worry if they're really thin, you can always go over them again with another coat of black. Because mine are really thin. I've never used a black striper. I've only used dotting tools, so this is my first time using a striper. Well, not for this design, I've never used a black striper. But for other designs, I have. This is not a very good palm tree, and I apologize for that. So you just make little palm tree leaves. Make as many as you want. I'm going for 3, actually. I know I said 2 in the beginning, so I'm sorry about that. I think that it looks more full with more, but you can do as many as you'd like. So you just really do like little palm trees, and it's super cute. You do the same on your thumb.